with you for past so many live videos that we're sharing with really simple tip and trick how to do cute flowers. So let's do is really simple, and I'm gonna do like 1, 2, and 3, and a little bit 4. So you're gonna go like an S shape like this. So I'm gonna start with the first one first. Just get it just a little dot. And then you're gonna start draw that. It's like a half moon. Or you can either say a C curve or whatever. It's like a C letter. This is really simple and tip and trick for the beginner. And you can easily achieve this design in like in no time. When you sprinkle the sugar in it, it doesn't have to be necessary, it's like perfect, but if you get it nice, like, so they're not messy, and it's really easy. Here's a tip and trick, okay? You're gonna place right in the middle because you're gonna wear your petals to be a thickness, and you draw and you're gonna release your brush. So you press your brush down, so where you want your petal to be a thickness, and then you just gently release that. You can see that it just lift your brush up and let it go. This even easier to do it in your real client's nails. You see how I'm doing it, like it just give it a little bit pressures and lift the tip of your brush up. It really depends on how big your flowers you want. If you want like 3 of them, a decent one, then you can do it like 3, I think, layer of the petal. Actually, if we have a real like hands, it's even easier. It looks super cute. I'm gonna do one more. You see that, because I love that how a gel painting, you know how I can control it super easy, because it's really consistency and it's solid. It's not runny. So then when I painted this, it's really like listen to me. Looks great. So I'm gonna do one more on this side right there. Give it a little bit pressure and release it. That's why you're seeing it's a bigger petal, usually in the center, and you get a softened look to make it look more as a natural look. I think good. I can add it more and later. I'm gonna do the second ones right here, up on the sides a little bit. Same techniques. If for all of you who just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live tutorial. Hope everyone have a great Wednesday. Today we have really cool content. We're gonna do a sugarings, and we're doing a rose sugaring. You know what? I did the other one with I think with the white and Cavatillo sugaring. These are 2 newest one, and it's really nice and fine. Stay tuned for a lot of news, products coming in as well. I'm so excited because as it's like, after Valentine, we're going to like St. Patty. If you are down in South with us in Florida, down in New Orleans, and Louisiana, Alabama, you will start seeing it's like they celebrate a lot with Mardi Gras. I think it's take over on the Wednesday the 25th. of February, so it's like 2 weeks after Valentine. So we're like constantly back to back with the holiday. So it's great to have a lot of different designs and content to share with your clients. I'm so freaking like obsessed with this. Like literally, if you have to pick out one painting gel to play with this, you will never go wrong with this. I just like literally dip it in this and draw it with my twin tip brush. They're so white. The pigment is so solid, no translucent at all, and it's really easy to control. It's not like thick at all, or it's not loose in it. So I'm really pleased with that. This is great for a lot of beginner who's starting like doing some cool drawing work. Like today I draw some hearts, strings for the clients. Is really easy, like with the solid black colors, it's really make it nice. They come like, I think this one is, I'm gonna do the pink one in a little bit so you get to see it too. I'm just focused on the flowers, so if you are tuning in, hello. Just don't want to ignore you all, but I'm gonna finish this all flowers, roses in like just a second, and then we can ask me any question. Or you can ask a question and then I will look at that comment and access every single of you. Looks really good. Go into that one. Just like a little petal right there. I'm so excited, everyone. It's just great to have all of you tuning in. Just a little. And I'm gonna just give it a little bit of dot. You can put the leaf like last couple video I did. Little cute little leaves there if you want, so all like all the vines if you want to. Either way, you will make it looks really nice. You will never go wrong with this. Super cute. Like take us away a little bit from like all red, because we've been sharing with you red for past almost like a month and a half. So it's good to have something different today. I can do heart all day long. It's so much fun to do. All right, so I'm gonna close this. This is the pure white. And my flowers not being, you know, it's still wet. It haven't been cured yet, because I am not going to. If you're doing a neon pigment, then you can't cure them 30 seconds and apply the neon. But if you're not doing a neon, you are going to do this sugaring. So I am going to use 2 different scoop. I'm gonna using that scoop for my white. Can you able to see? Let me move it a little bit up. Hey, Miss Corina, how are you? So I'm going to do it. Like if you want to sugar rings, how and tie this nails, you can't. But I'm gonna doing like a little bit of like a diagonal. Like here is the white ones, and I'm gonna do just a clear. Like have a white sugaring. And don't touch it, just sprinkle in it. Make sure they are absorbing. I will sprinkle them like maybe about 4 times. Great. Move this one out because we don't want to contaminating. This is glitter is so freaking cute and so easy to work. It's so fine. The other ones you have that encapsulating glitter we have is really nice. Alright, this one even like really awesome. I can't wait to see how many more colors we have, but it's so cute. Tap gentle. Ooh, you can see the difference, right? Here, let me finish this before I mess things up, because me earlier I did. Sure I did. All right, scoop it about 4 times. Tap gentle. I'm gonna do a little bit white over here. I haven't cured yet, but you can see the effects on from the white ombre look to the teal colors. Really pretty. Great. All right, I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Hola. Hi, Jana, how are you? Hey, Lily, how are you? Great, so we're gonna do this later for this gel painting. We have this one already. And we can do like pink on pink, okay? So it might be a little bit hard to see, but it's gonna look so gorgeous when you do pink on pink. All right, so that's nail after it cured for 60 seconds, it's completely done. You see how simple it is in it? Roya, what I'm doing to cleaning my brush, which is if you're using a gel brush, which is I'm using it right now, I doing it like as I sharing before with a lot of different live video. You can use it, get one piece of get either you get no wipe top coat or you get the base gel top coat. Really get one drop it in your palettes right here, and just using your brush and so that like it saturate your brush with the no wipe top coat or with the base coat. So then you can start seeing it's release the residues from the brush off. And then you just using a piece of paper and wipe it off. Important, cap on. I love this brush. I have 100 different brush for the art and they all dry on me because it doesn't have a cap on. This is really awesome. Like couple, I have 2 of them. One of them will last good 2 years because I wipe it off and I close the caps, you know, let the caps on. So then it's never like dry out on me. So that's a tip and trick. You can clean your brush. Do not use acetone or alcohol as it will ruin your brush. So it's really nice for me right now. I haven't, it's 60 seconds. Did you cure? All right, so now I'm using my cute little unicorn. Just dust it off. See how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed with it. You see that? Like even the teal on the teal, it looks so gorgeous. You will never go wrong with this. Look at that. It takes you out from a totally different, but it's so beautiful. Like I don't know how your Ann is, but my Ann is so gorgeous. So that is earlier I showed one of my students what Lily. That's how I did this one. She said, "Oh my goodness, it turned out great." This one, the one I'm doing on live video for all of you, is even better because this one I did it fast, show her before we start live. But this one I do like it better. You can also do this in pink